nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you never have to pay me. Don't and put your hands up, and time just how you stand up. And you be the man, cause a brand that the fans trust. So even if they ban us, they'll never slow my plans up. Three in the air for the kids in the ghetto, four for the kids that don't wanna be there, none for the niggas trying to hold them back, five in the air for the teacher not scared to tell those kids that's living in the ghetto that the niggas holding back that the world is theirs. Yeah, the world is yours. I was once that little boy, terrified of the world. Now I'm on a world tour. I will give up everything, even start a world war for these ghetto girls and boys. I'm rapping around the world for Africa to New York, Haiti and I detour, Oakland out to Auckland, got the strip to Detroit. Say hip hop only destroy. Tell them look at me, boy. I hope your son don't have a gun and never be a D-boy. What you been through, no matter what you into, no matter what you see when you look outside your window, brown grass or green grass, picket fence or barbed wire, never ever put them down. You just lift your arms higher, raise them till your arms tired, let them know you there, that you struggling, surviving, that you gon' persevere.